Welcome to the BSB50320 Diploma of Human Resources. This program is offered by Holo Education Services. It is designed to elevate your HR skills. Gain strategic HR expertise. Learn to align HR practices with business goals. This ensures your organization thrives. You'll master workforce planning and talent management. Develop skills to analyze and improve HR processes. Enhance your leadership and management skills. This course covers effective communication and team building. You'll learn to lead diverse teams with confidence. Develop decision-making skills that drive success. Master workplace compliance. Understand laws and regulations impacting HR. Learn to implement policies that ensure legal compliance. This knowledge protects your organization and supports a fair workplace.